Find all of my favorite products in my Amazon storefront, link in the description box. Well, hello there, welcome to my channel. What's up everybody? My name is Quel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for joining me today. You could be with anybody else on the internet, but you are here with me and I appreciate you. It's been a long time since I said that, right? Well, today we have a new video, of course, and before we start this video, why don't you guys consider subscribing to my channel? I do lifestyle, beauty, and nursing videos, so I would love it. It will make my day if you join the family, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So today we are doing a hair video. Now I went to Meijer and I saw that Garnier created some new hair products. Well, they're new to me. I've never seen it before, and I know that I said that I will not purchase any more hair products, and I've been so good up until this point. I think this year I only bought like one set. It was the Aussie Pearl set that I did, and I did a whole video on that, and if you would like to see that video, hit the cards above. But I did a whole review on that set, and that's the last time that I purchased, and I think that was sometime in March when I purchased those items. So I have not purchased any hair products whatsoever, but I saw that Garnier did come out with these products, so I wanted to try it. So what they came out with is the Garnier Fructis Style and Curl Treatment. So I guess that's what the line is called. And they have a smoothie, a defining smoothie, and it's for fine to normal hair. What's normal hair? Who knows, but we'll see if it works. And they have the Garnier Fructis Style and Curl Treatment Jelly Shaping for all hair types. So this is all inclusive is what it's saying. If you guys would like to see this video, stick around. And we're back. I cannot rave about this Aussie Miracle Curls Co-Wash. My hair was extremely matted and I was able to detangle it with this product alone. So that is amazing. This will always be one of my staples. So now I'm going to go ahead and try the Curls Smoothie. So the Garnier Fructis Curl Smoothie, it boasts that it is no sulfates, silicones, parabens, artificial colorants, and mineral oil. So in that sense, it's perfectly fine. It's definitely not all natural. I'm sure it has some ingredients that are a little bit questionable, but I don't really too much follow any of those guidelines. If it works for my hair, then that's fine to me. But that's just a personal preference, so be forewarned. But I couldn't wait to use these products as soon as I saw them. They kept calling my name. I couldn't leave the store without them, so I feel good about the purchase. So, and plus they're only $6, so not hurting the bank whatsoever. So you see how my hair is just so detangled? Amazing. Okay, so as far as the smell, I'm definitely not getting avocado. Honestly, I'm not getting much at all. Ooh, this is pretty thick. I was not expecting that. She's thick. So this is what the product kind of looks like. Wow. It is a pretty thick, almost whipped, well, it's smoothie, yeah. So it definitely has that smoothie texture. I wouldn't say that it's as thick as the Shea Moisture smoothie whatsoever in any capacity at all. But definitely that surprised me that it's as thick as it is. I don't know, I thought it would be a little bit more watered down version. But back to the smell, even putting it in my hair, I barely get any type of scent from it. It's more so, it's not cucumber, but it's on the lines of just a light, fresh cucumber smell almost. It's pleasant, definitely pleasant, but it's not overpowering, any pungent. It's not floral whatsoever, which is great. I like a nice, clean, fresh scent, and I definitely get that vibe from this product. So it definitely smells more fresh and clean. But it's so thick, oh my goodness. So I'm just kind of applying it like so to my hair. I'm going to detangle. So I use two different hair tools. I have this one, it's by the Tangle Teaser. I really love this brush right here to get out all my tangles, and then to kind of style my hair, I have my Denman brush. So I don't know, that's just me being extra. You definitely don't need to use both. But I just like having both on hand because honestly the Denman brush, it tends to yank my hair. So nowadays, I just do not like styling my hair with the detangling my hair with the Denman brush. I'd rather style it right afterwards. I just brought this down, so I'm just gonna use it prior to, just to make sure all the tangles are out of my hair before using the Denman brush, so it doesn't yank at it. So personal preference again. So I'm just re-wetting my hair now, just so that it really accepts all of the product and all of the good moisture, like so. I'm just afraid because it's just one product that my hair will still be dry. So I'm still going to now do the prayer hands to kind of lock it in and really get to every strand. I'm putting it up here. I tend to have some problem areas. Yeah, it smells really good. So, but I'm just getting light hints of smell. It's not lingering whatsoever. Again, smell is a big thing for me in hair products because I don't want to get nauseous, and I'm very sensitive when it comes to smell. So, and then I'm gonna really put it right here where I have my knots a lot of the times, my knot buns or my ponytail holders right here, so it tends to get really dry, and that's where I sleep as well. So that part of my hair tends to get really dry. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So I don't usually do talk through videos, so if you like the video, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up. However, just to let me know that you guys like these types of videos as opposed to me doing a voiceover. So now I'm just gonna do this side so you guys can kind of see. Obviously, since I put some moisture in this one and this one looks a little bit dry over here. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go into the smoothie. Again, this was $6 and it's 10.5 fluid ounces. So I think you get a pretty good bang for your buck with it. Okay, next we have the jelly. Ooh, this definitely has a distinct smell. Still very clean. Oh, there's nothing coming off on my finger. Ooh. This is what I'm gonna use first now. First, I'm actually going to re-wet my hair a little bit. Again, oh my God. Just so that it accepts the product a little better. It still has that fresh scent. It's just more concentrated, I think. Okay, yeah, this has a ton of slip. Definitely more of a custard more of a custard jelly, definitely. I would call it jelly. Says it has a light hold. I don't know if it'll hold my hair at all. Give me any type of definition. I can see it giving shine because it has a lot of moisture and it's condensed. Okay. This is not moving whatsoever. There's hardly, yeah. If you did that with the souffle, it's gonna come all the way out. Well, that kind of did, but it all came out all at once. So I don't know, that's different. I've never had a product like that, so. I really slapped it on this side, huh? I'm gonna have to even that out.
Mommy, it's baby.
Is that a baby? It is a baby, like even a whale. Add some, of course, to the nape of my neck. Then hopefully this white residue goes away. We shall see. Okay, next I'm just gonna flip my hair over and then I'm going to scrunch. I have a towel in front of me. I'm gonna flip my head over and then I'm going to scrunch. gosh, you guys. I think for the first time in my curly hair history, I put too much product in my hair. Like my hands, like it's not soaking up any of that right now. It just came out white. Like whenever I scrunch it up, it's just white residue. It's like oozing from my hair. So I don't know, that's never happened before. I'm not thinking it's gonna be good results. Hopefully it's just not gonna dry with just a lot of residue and clumps. But I wouldn't be surprised. I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry for a while until I go to sleep. I'll go ahead and put my slap cap on at that point, and then in the morning we'll see how the results are. And lucky for you guys don't have to wait that long. It's gonna be in the next clip. Let's hop to it. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and this is my hair. So my hair made a gel cast overnight, which means it kind of just froze my hair in the style or in the spirals that it needed to, which I absolutely love. I love gels that create a cast on my hair because all I have to do is scrunch it out and then it becomes nice and soft. But so far, I love the way that my hair feels right now. And again, I'm just gonna scrunch it out just so that I can get the really good spiral soft curls that my hair naturally is. So let me go ahead and scrunch. It still smells amazing. Like, look, I'm already getting a lot of body. Should get the roots really good. So I'm just gonna flip my head over and scrunch that way. Okay, so my final thoughts, I will say that I do feel like there's a bit of a film in my hair. I don't see or feel any flakes whatsoever in my hair, which is really good, but it does feel like there's just a film sitting on top of my hair, which I don't absolutely love. They were only regularly $6.99 each, and I got mine for $6 each. They were on sale, so I definitely love the fact that I got a really good deal on it. And I think it did a pretty okay job. So I'm not mad at the purchase whatsoever, and I will definitely use the products again. It didn't take my hair long to dry whatsoever. And again, I love the fact that the jelly gave my hair a gel cast. So if anything, any of the products, I will definitely use the jelly. And then maybe in combination with a better hair smoothie, maybe one of the Shea Moisture hair smoothies. But the results are okay. I'm not mad at it. It might be a little frizzy. I'm going to a festival right after this. Well, I guess it's a arts fest. So I'll be outside and it's about 80 something today. So it says it's anti-frizz. So we'll see afterwards if that is actually true, if it'll hold up. My predictions are that it won't. And I'll be wearing my hair up within 15 minutes. But we will see how my hair lasts and if it is anti-frizz. So I am going to go ahead and continue getting dressed, and we're going to go to the festival, and I'll show you guys how my hair holds up afterwards. Okay, well, here's my hair hours later. Yes, I've done a wardrobe change. I mean, of course, it started off looking a lot better than it does now, but I'm not mad at it whatsoever. My hair still feels a little stiff. It still does have a lot of volume to it, so I'm not complaining about that whatsoever. But yeah, I think I'm going to definitely use those products in the future. What do you guys think? I would love to know what you feel about the results in the comments below, so please let me know. So if you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I would love if you join the family. It will really make my day. I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.